Hello students, today we are going to discuss the subtopic number 12.2 quotient of powers with the same base. Now look at this example. I am going to divide 2 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 3. We can write this one like this also. 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 3. We can write the division like this. Now I am going to expand. Okay, now 2 into 2 into 2. When we look at the numerator and the denominator, we can see 2 is common. So 1, 2 removes with this one, another one and another one. And here we have 2 into 2. That means 2 to the power 2. Here we have 1. Okay. Then it is equal to 2 to the power 2. Okay. Now let's discuss this same idea with an algebraic base. X to the power 4 divided by x to the power 2. X into x into x into x division x into x. Now we can remove one x with this one. Okay. Here we have x to the power 2 over 1. That means x to the power 2. Now under this topic we are going to learn a simple method to get this final value from this one without doing this expansion. Okay. Now the theory is, when we have something like this, imagine you have to find a to the power 5 subtract a to the power 2. Okay, then value will be equal. Here the base is a. In the value also the base is a. To get the index value, here see 5 and 3. Then the final value is 2. Here 4, 2. It is also 2. To get the index value, you have to subtract the second value from the first one. That means 5 subtract 3, it is 2. Here 4 subtract 2 is equal to 2. Then in here, to get the value, what you have to do? 5 subtract 2. Okay. Then it is equal a to the power 3. This is the short method. We can apply this directly when we have a quotient between the powers with the same base. Okay. Now let's build up a general formula. A general formula means we can use this theory when we are doing simplification. Now a to the power m, if the index is m. In here I wrote it. Sorry, it's a mistake. It should be division, not subtraction. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. Okay. Then the value is equal a to the power m minus n. Here it is subtraction. When we have a division between the powers, we have to subtract their index. This is the final answer. So we cannot simplify this further because they are unknown values. Then a m minus n. Okay, that's all. Let's see. I think it is clear up to this point. Okay, we can write the quotient also like this: a m a n equal a m minus n. Okay, After writing this subtopic, copy down these two examples and this one also. This is your third example, 1, 2 and 3. After that, use some color pens and copy this down into your notebook, this part. Okay. Now let's see what we have to do now. There are some examples in your textbook in page number 25. See, example 1. Okay, I am going to discuss the examples. See, example 1. I'll explain it. X to the power 5 multiplied by x to the power 5 multiplied by x to the power 2 division. Okay, this is the first example. Then last day we have discussed how to simplify the multiplication with the powers. Here we have 5 and here we have 2. When you have a product, what you have to do is you have to add. Then 5 plus 2 and division x to the power 3. Okay, now first multiply. Let's do the multiplication first. Then x to the power 7, x to the power 3. Then when we have a division, we do the subtraction. 7 subtract 3. The answer is x to the power 4. Okay. I think it is clear. Now let's see the second example. 4x to the power 8. This is example A. 4x to the power 8 divide by 2x to the power 2. Okay. Now we can write it like this. 4x to the power 8 upon 2x to the power 2. Okay. We have numerical values in here. We can remove the factors. Then for 2 we have 1. Then for 4 we have 2. And when we simplify it, 2x to the power 8 upon x to the power 2. Here the base is same. It is x. So we can simplify it like this. 2 into x to the power 8 subtract 2. Okay. Then 2x to the power 6 is the answer. Okay, I think it is clear. Now third example. Example number C. A to the power 3 into a to the power 2 over a. First we have a multiplication. That means you have to add 3 plus 2 a. Mean a to the power 1. Then 3 plus 2 it is 5. Okay. When we simplify this quotient, a 5 minus 1. Yeah, power is 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to a to the power 4. Okay, now you have your second exercise 12.2. You have to do the exercise. There are only 3 questions. You have to write the questions also. Complete the whole exercise. That's all for today. Then thank you.